Tja! Jag har gjort en LIA, det menar internship-program eller praktikprogram i Kaironit AB. Det ligger i Gustavsberg. Jag har gjort en utbildning det heter .NET 22. Det är viktigt att vi måste ha en LIA och vi måste presentera våran LIA-projekt. Välkommen alla min presentation, vad jag har gjort i min LIA-perioden. Min svenska, jag försöker prata, men alla tekniker jag har använder engelska, så därför jag ska berätta allt på engelska. Så ursäkta mig svenska. Hello everyone, welcome to my LIA report presentation. I have done a few projects with Kaironit AB. They used to give a solution of printing and a safe scanner. I'm going to show my presentation, what I have done, what I have learned from my internship period. Company backgrounds, they have two partners ownership. One is Jan Sundberg. He is my direct supervisor. It's situated in Gustavsberg Farmdo, and it's situated in Gustavsberg Farmdo. Its turnover around 7 million Swedish kroner, and they have a web solution, and their main solution product are printing and safe scanner. Also, they are giving solution web development. During my internship period or LIA period, I have done a few projects with my supervisor, whose name is Jan Sundberg. We have communicated each other via WhatsApp, and our code we have communicate with GitHub, and we have used different type of technology to communicate each other. And our project methodology, we have used Agile Vattenfall method. How we give the solution, we have created our project when we have faced a problem, so how can we fix it? We have followed the tickets and everything. We have created some tasks by Trello board, and we have followed GitHub project, GitHub project branch handling, branch tree, branch control. I have created 4 projects with those in that company. Project 1, it was a front end with React. Project 2, it was direct.NET, PowerShell API I have used, and .NET Core version 7. And project 4, full standing project web development. Front end, it was React, and backend it was .NET C#. I have used RESTful API, and database I have used for MongoDB. This I already explained everything. However, I want to explain something more. Since I lived in one side of Stockholm and his company is another side of Stockholm, it's very tough to go there and work with them. That's why I work from home, and whenever we have communicate, we communicate via WhatsApp and uploaded our code via GitHub. And we had did some work it's like a loosely coupled. We didn't take that much pressure. Whenever my supervisor assigned some task, I have done on time before time has been out. But I explained everything what I have did, and my supervisor helped me a lot during my project work. That's the communication pattern, what communication way I have done. WhatsApp, problem solution via GitHub, take control via Trello board, which we have made tickets when which part I have to done. This one is my first project. Uh, it's only front end I have created with React. In the Visual Studio, they have created they have given some template with React with C#. I have created on that way, and the client requirement was it will be like a form to take a user input. So first I was thinking it will be good way to go create this way, but later on they have changed their mind. So that's why from next project I have to use another front end. I will show you later, but first I need to show some first I need to explain something in here what I have done. Here I have taken 1 2 3 4 5 text input. When user put the information and when they click in here the driver, I have created some queries in the backend side, so that how many drivers I have in my system, I can take it and press the install button, then it will be create. Since I didn't create the backend from the beginning, so that's why this one is just like a format I have created from beginning of my LIA. Project 2, here is full stack project like front end and back end. Front end I have created I have taken Windows form, and that's why it's looks like this way, and I have take some credential information here. I need to put user information and password. When I when I click my Visual Studio play button, then it comes up with this function, welcome to Q installer. And in here we need to put IP address, which is which I made it one text file in the system in here, that's called CSP. If you put the IP address and click the search button, then it will require, if that target system has a credential, then it will looking for a credential information and password. Uh, when you create this logging button, then it will be go on that target system and try to find out which printer has been shared. This one is my virtual server machine in my Windows 11. So here everything in this system here, I have a lot of shared printer I have installed. There you can see when I click the search button, I got it those type of printer which is shared in that virtual machine, as like share in my button shared printer. When I click on install button, I need to click one specific printer, which printer I wanted to set up on my local system, not in the server machine. So when I click this one, it will set up on my local system. This project is we can use like if anyone wanted to search any shared printer, they can get it with this app. And if they wanted to use this app, it must be under one real IP, and the normal IP, how many IP doesn't matter. We can reach that we can reach that target printer, but not in the another real IP. It should be under one real IP. So that's why I mentioned target machine, any Windows machine under real IP. It means one real IP. And technology I have used, I already explained. Windows Form, PowerShell API to get the queries from the system. Credential I have used. I shown you the previous slide, and the version .NET C Sharp version 7 I have taken. Since my LIA company, they are using always latest version, so that's why he encouraged me to work with everything work with latest version. This one is my project 3. Here you will see the similar with my React page, what I have done in the project 1. Since the client requirement was it will be like a form, it's like this one. If I put all information in here, and which driver or which product, which printer I wanted to set up into my system, so I can get it. But one information I need to explain about everything should be unique. In my backend code, I have created a port name, which if the port name is double, then it will not accept it. I have put another random system, so that the system will create another port name and will show in here which port name has been created, also the printer name, which location means which floor, and which driver. Let's see the second slide. See, if you start the app, it's automatically read how many how many drivers is available in your system. First of all, I need to tell you, this app need to be run in the server machine, not in the local machine. The project 2 was you can run in the local machine and you can get from the server machine. This app you need to run in your server machine, not in the local machine. I put those information in here. See, here is showing that Chas student has been installed successfully. That means if only Chas identified student are able, only Chas student can print the specific printer with only the color print. They can do it. See, so it means that I made one target task. Only Chas student can print color print, not in the black printer. In the PowerShell administrative power, when I click get printer, I can get those printers. Those are installed into my system. And install my system. Let's see what's happened in the next slide. See, the previous one, they already shown that Chas student has been created. Here it's showing that I tried to print it out. Since I don't have a printer at my home, so that's why it's saying that it's creating one queue, and they couldn't print it out. I didn't select the PDF file so it can be printed out, so that's why it's showing error. So it doesn't matter, it works. Project 4, My supervisor was telling me that one client, they want one template front end and back end, and it will be React with C Sharp. We know that Visual Studio has a template React and C Sharp. So their requirement was I need to make one. I need to make one template that backend API and database will work perfectly. So they just need to create some code, then it will work directly. Here I have created 4 API under the customer service, product service, and profile. I have more downside and logging. Every customer need to log in if they wanted to need a customer service, but product in here they can get it if the owner wanted to input the product, they can do it. If the end user wanted to create the profile, they can create profile in here. And yeah, and purpose of database, I didn't take SQL Server because of the client requirement was no SQL server, no SQL database they wanted to use. That's why I use MongoDB. It's really good database. It's JSON. When this following code are like a JSON format, so MongoDB they just create the normal conversion from JSON to the C# code. It's automatically work, but in the SQL you need to create one conversion, then it will work. I cannot show you the code due to the company restriction. This one is the visual I am going to show this way. In this way you will get the normal data from the Swagger. I didn't make that slide unfortunately, but it will work. So this project you can use only web development. Customer can take information. Customer wants to take the information from the company, which information they need. If they have a complaint, they can complain. Which product they are looking for, they can ask the company. This part I just show you only the customer service. If the end user wanted to get some information. That's my 4 project I have created on this way. So yeah, that's my all project. What I have learned, I have learned a lot of things from the LIA during few months, but from the school they have created very basic things, but in the LIA it's the professional side. I have learned a lot of things like a PowerShell API and professional debugging, how to make a design, architect of web development, how to debug to control your code, and more analysis of your thinking. What I have learned from the LIA part: first, think how you will create your project, what you need, make an architect, then go forward with what you need, what type of service they need. Everything you need to create by your own and write it down on your paper. You will get it all information. That's why I have learned from that. Right now I'm feeling more confident. Before the LIA, it was like a confusing, but right now I am feeling more confident to write the code, how to make an architect, and how to make the communication each other, how to talk with the code, how to talk with the database. It's helped me a lot. Thanks, Ian Sondeberg. Tack så jättemycket. Thanks a lot. If anyone wanted to communicate with me, here is my email address. I'm a student at Charles Academy. Thanks to my teachers who teach me about the coding, and they just changed my thinking, how to think about the coding. Especially thanks to Just Academy to give this opportunity to build my career. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Hey do, bye.